The candle sphere is a unique interchangeable component in my line. It's a hollow steel sphere with 2.5 ounce reservoir, and when it's filled, it will stay lit for more than 4 hours. Our beautiful set of white candle spheres can be placed around your house, out on the patio, or part of a table setting. The set includes 4 white candle spheres, 4 glass placement rings, a funnel, and 4 everlasting fiberglass wicks that will never need to be replaced. And it's probably the last candle you will ever buy. Dum Dum is my favorite character. He's lovable, he's sweet, and he looks great in any color. He's great for any small accent you like to put around your home, or even to help set the mood for a candle-lit dinner. The set includes a rustic Dum Dum sculpture, a glass tray, a small bag of white stones, a rustic candle sphere with 1 eternal flame fiberglass wick, and a funnel. Being such a versatile character, I set up Dum Dum in a serving glass, so he can be a dinner guest at your table. Use him for drinks, salads, dessert, or any other creative uses. The set includes a silver Dum Dum sculpture and my exclusive cone-shaped serving glass. Genesis is one of my first sculptural designs. It's an aromatic scent diffuser that incorporates our wonderful candle instead of the usual tea light variety. All you have to do is fill up the candle sphere, pour 3 drops of the included scent aromatherapy oil into the tray, and light up the fiberglass wick for hours of relaxing aromatherapy. The set includes rustic Genesis sculpture, a matching rustic candle sphere, a fiberglass wick, a glass tray, a small bag of white stones, a half-ounce bottle of citrus fragrance oil. For those of you with children, pets, or excess empty wall space, I modified Genesis into a wall-mounted scent diffuser. He has the same functionality as the original Genesis. The set includes a rustic Genesis hanging out sculpture, a matching rustic candle sphere, 1 fiberglass wick, a glass tray, a small bag of white stones, and a half-ounce bottle of citrus fragrance oil. Loretta was created in an image of an engagement ring, and named after my wife. It's a beautiful oil candle sculpture that will blend in with any environment to add a special touch of warmth and romance. The set includes a rustic Loretta sculpture, a matching rustic candle sphere, a fiberglass wick, and a funnel. Marley is a patented innovative piece of decorative drinkware. When the natural-looking stone base is refrigerated for half an hour prior to use, the stone will keep the beverages chilled for up to 1 hour.